Welcome to ScoopBuddy fam. Today we're diving into the exciting world of e-commerce. But first, what exactly is e-commerce? Simply put, e-commerce refers to buying and selling goods or services over the internet. It's a booming industry that's revolutionizing the way we shop and do business. With the right strategies, anyone can start their own successful online store. Let's explore how. Step 1. Find your niche. The first step is to identify a profitable niche. Look for a market that you're passionate about and has a demand. Use tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and social media to research trends and customer interests. Your niche should have a balance of demand and competition. Step 2. Choose your e-commerce platform. Selecting the right platform is crucial. Popular options include Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces, customizable templates, and essential features like payment processing and inventory management. Choose one that suits your business needs and budget. Step 3. Source your products. You can either manufacture your own products, work with wholesalers, or use drop shipping suppliers. Research and establish relationships with reliable suppliers to ensure quality and consistency. Platforms like Alibaba and Oberlo can help you find trustworthy suppliers. Step 4. Create your brand. Your brand is your identity in the marketplace. Design a compelling logo, choose a color scheme, and craft a unique brand voice. Consistency across all your branding elements helps build trust and recognition among customers. Step 5. Build your online store. Customize your e-commerce platform to create an attractive and user-friendly online store. Pay attention to design, navigation, and mobile responsiveness. Ensure your product descriptions are clear, your images are high quality, and your checkout process is seamless. Step 6. Set up payment and shipping options. Offer multiple payment methods like credit cards, PayPal, and digital wallets to cater to diverse customer preferences. Set up reliable shipping options and clearly communicate shipping policies, rates, and delivery times to your customers. Step 7. Market your e-commerce business. Effective marketing is key to driving traffic and sales. Use a mix of digital marketing strategies such as social media marketing, email campaigns, SEO, and pay-per-click advertising. Create engaging content and leverage influencer partnerships to reach a broader audience. Step 8. Analyze and optimize. Continuously monitor your store's performance using analytics tools. Track metrics like website traffic, conversion rates, and customer behavior. Use this data to make informed decisions and optimize your marketing strategies, product listings, and overall user experience. One crucial aspect of running an e-commerce business is providing excellent customer service. Respond promptly to customer inquiries, handle complaints gracefully, and offer easy return policies. Building a loyal customer base can lead to repeat business and positive word of mouth, which is invaluable for growth. Additionally, consider utilizing email marketing to keep your customers informed about new products, promotions, and updates. A well-planned email campaign can significantly boost your sales and customer engagement. And there you have it. Starting a successful e-commerce business involves careful planning, consistent effort, and a willingness to adapt and learn. With the right approach, you can turn your online business into a thriving venture.